Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Windscreen Wiper Sharpener Tool. Yeah, this looks normal, but the result will burn your head off. Windscreen wiper repair set. It contains 6 pieces. With the help of the windscreen wiper repair kit, your old windscreen wipers can be made good as new in seconds. It includes wiper blade extractor and 5 microfiber cloth. Cleans and renews windscreen wipers rubber flip for better streak-free wiping performance that hurts nice corrects mirrors irregularities by means of microcrystals. Microfiber cloth polish wipers rubber lip. Long-lasting Crystal technology makes cloth suitable for repair easily. And now you can see how you are going to use this product. Only swipe it above the blade of your windscreen wipers. You can do this 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 times. And after you are blading it, we are going to look at the result. Keeps windscreen clean for improved road safety. And these are the cloth to make a clean surface. Economical alternative to wiper replacement, suitable for many types of windscreen wiper blades. In this case, I tried it on a Vauxhall Corsa MK4, and as you can see, it works nice. There it is, outside view, and as you can see, no rubber lips breaking. Dawn is done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.